Hello and welcome to your 7th vocabulary lesson in this series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. There will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook and let's get started. Here are your first 4 words. Allow, famous, expert. Therefore, to allow something to happen means to let it happen. Allow. If someone or something is famous, they are well known. Famous. An expert is someone who is very good at doing something. Expert. Therefore means for this reason. Therefore. If you visit Paris, you must see the Eiffel Tower. The famous Eiffel Tower. That man was not strong, needs to lift weights. Therefore, he needs to lift weights. They only people with tickets to enter the park. They only allow people with tickets. If you want to become the best, you must be an in your job. You must be an expert in your job. Here are your next 4 words. Announce, force, divide, sudden. To announce something is to make it known. Announce. Force is a person's strength or power. Force. To divide something is to make it into smaller equal parts. Divide. When something is sudden, it happens very fast. Sudden. The pain in his chest was so, he didn't know what to do. Was so sudden, he didn't know what to do. He to everyone that he had a great sale at his store. He announced to everyone. It is fair only if we the pie into equal parts. It is only fair if we divide the pie. You must use to push your body up during exercise. You must use force to push your body. Here are your next 4 words. Beside, harm, difference, sense. Beside means to be next to someone or something. Beside. Harm is to hurt or problems caused to someone or something. Harm. A difference is a way things are not the same. Difference. To sense something is to know about it without being told. Sense. Jumping out of a tree can cause a lot of to your leg if you do it. A lot of harm to your leg. Yeah, it'll hurt. Being able to smell is one of the 5 all humans have. Or a human has. Being able to smell is one of the 5 senses a human has. What is the between the red one and the green ones? What is the difference between the red one and the green ones? The two best friends are standing each other. They are standing beside each other. Here are your next 4 words. Challenge, lay, contribute, protect. A challenge is something difficult to complete. Challenge. To lay means to put or place in a flat position. Lay. To contribute to something means to do or give something to help. Contribute. To protect someone is to stop them from getting hurt. Protect. He is very rich, so he needs people to him. He needs people to protect him. Every morning, she her clothes out to wear. Every morning, she lays her clothes out to wear. Every year, the man money to the charity for the school. Every year, the man contributes money to the charity for the school. It is so to climb to the top that many people can't. It is so challenging. Here are your next 4 words. Claim, peace, condition, prince. To claim means to say that something is true. Claim. Peace is a time without war. Peace. The condition of someone or something is the state that they are in. Condition. A prince is the son of a king. Prince. Doves are the symbol for around the world. Doves are the symbol for peace. The was dressed up for the royal wedding. The prince was dressed up for the royal wedding. The president that he would end unemployment for his country. The president claimed. The woman's wasn't good after traveling for a week. The woman's condition wasn't good. Choose the right answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. Tiffany let Mike go to the game. Allowed. The child promised not to hurt our cat. Harm. She was a well-known writer in our town. Famous. You should say it's true that you never lie. Claim. The food was cut into smaller parts so we could eat it all. Divided. Choose the best answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. It wasn't right for the coach to make the race such a challenge. My sister and I were fighting. My sister claimed she didn't like me. Everyone knew her because she was famous. The man would not buy the bike because of its bad condition. No one could win against Sally because she was an expert. We were scared because the dog might harm us. The police wanted to protect us from danger. You are too sick to play outside, therefore, play inside. Great job today. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.